Charlie with the hiccups the night before we go into hospital. Just here. Get a little bump. I don't think you can see it very well. Oh, that was bigger.